Everybody, welcome to this demonstration of the social media agency theme. My name is Nick Ponte. I am one of the co-founders at Offline Sharks, and I just wanted to give you a quick little tour on how easy this theme is to use, because one of the most popular things about our themes is that we create them for people that have very little technological experience in mind. We don't use any plugins to get our themes looking as good as they do, and we build all of the functionality right into the theme. So there's no extra bloat that you get with a lot of these multi-purpose themes. And everything is really streamlined and made easy to use just for you. So what you're looking at right now is actually the theme. And you can see that we've got a nice big slider at the top of the page and some awesome content sections below. And you'll notice that we've got professionally written content all about offering social media marketing as a service. So you don't even have to do any of that. You don't have to write any of this stuff. You literally can get this website looking exactly like it does right now up in about 5 minutes. And we include step-by-step training within the membership on how to get it set up. And we've literally created a demo file, and you import it and you're basically ready to go. So it's not that complicated at all. And once you get the website up, I want to show you how easy it is to change out the images and write new content and things like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this window a little smaller, and then I'm also going to open up another window of the back end of this exact site here. And as you can see, because I've minimized or I've changed the size of the window, the site is fully responsive. So like all of our themes, everything is totally responsive from all devices, from computers to iPads and down to phones, right? So yeah, let's navigate over to this page. So I'm in the back of my WordPress dashboard, and I want to change some of the content on the home page, which is where I've just navigated to. And actually, let me back up really quick and show you the plugins section, just to confirm that we don't use any plugins on our site. So you can see that there are no plugins being used. Okay, back to the home page. We have these little banner sections. Again, this is all built right into your theme. These sections can easily be clicked and dragged and rearranged, and they're like a little accordion. If you hit the arrow button right here, you can open and close them. And you can see that this is actually the first slide to our home page. And you can see that we can click this little pencil here, or the X, and we can remove that image or add a new image straight from our computer, or we can use an image that's already in the media library of our theme. If we want to change this headline of the slide, all we have to do is type it in there. And same with the body content and the button. So you'll quickly find that, you know, all these sections of this theme are created with this drag and drop visual editor. And this, again, it's so cool, and I'm really excited about it because we just hard code this into our theme. Usually you need a plugin to do this, and that can really oftentimes cause your theme to break, or your client's theme to break, because you need to update them. And because we don't have that functionality or those plugins installed in the site, that happens a lot less, and your site also isn't vulnerable to hacker attacks from out-of-date plugins and things like that. So if you look over these content sections, you'll see in the corresponding back-end theme here on the right-hand side that we have all the options to change the images and the text and all the important information with no difficulty. So yeah, you know, when I mentioned that we really keep our users in mind that don't have a lot of technological experience, this is what I mean. And if you wanted to create a new section that's not on the page, all you'd have to do is hit this blue button, add a section, and we already have these pre-done template sections just for you, already ready to go. So you can just add a new one, and it pre-populates with some demo information, and you just change out the information that you'd like to have to show your awesome services and what you're all about. So in addition to this flexible page builder, we also have hard-coded some some settings directly into the theme. So if you go to the left-hand side of your WordPress dashboard, you'll see the theme settings area. And by hitting the general settings area, you'll see that we have our logo, and then the footer logo, which is at the bottom of the page here on the left-hand side, and also the copyright information. So if we want to change any of this info, all we have to do is hit the X and upload a new image, or we can just type the new text where we'd want to replace it. So it's really easily done. You have various contact information sections throughout your site, and if you just hit the left-hand side, the theme settings, there's a contact settings as well, where all you have to do is update your email, your phone number, and address in the given area, and it will populate throughout the entire site wherever you have any of these call to actions or contact settings already done for you. You don't have to go to each page or find the area within some of the coding where you have to change the phone number or anything like that. We've already got that populated for you. Same thing with social media information. All of these little links at the top and the bottom of the page, they connect here through whatever link you specify. It's already laid out for you. And lastly, I just want to point out the option to have custom color settings. So if you select the color settings on the left-hand side, all you would have to do is click the Activate Custom Color, and you can see that you have the option to change the primary color or the secondary, including the text that you see throughout the page. And I'm already seeing that this color is different than the color we already have set up on the website, which is currently this dark color. So I'm just going to update it really quick to give you a preview. And now I'm going to refresh this website. And you'll notice that the text has already changed, the background colors of some things have changed, the footer, all of the little accent colors have changed throughout the site. And all we had to do was activate, the custom color, and it just populated everything throughout the site to look really awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I know you guys are going to love this theme. We're including a developer license with your purchase on this launch. So you have unlimited installs with this theme. You can't beat that deal. I know that there are a lot of themes out there that sell for $50 and you only get, 1 or 2 licenses, and they don't have the built-in functionality that this theme has. And remember that we have training in the members area that's built up around owning a social media agency. So if you want to start a business, or you have a business and you need a website, or you want to build a website really quickly, just use this theme. You have unlimited installs and you'll get it up and running within a few minutes and you'll be ready to go. All right, I will see you on the inside of the members area. Talk soon.